I am super excited to be doing this video for you. Kicking off this month, Halloween season. I have lots of plans, lots of looks. Today I'll be showing you guys a mermaid makeup tutorial. I did a mermaid look 2 years ago. I obviously wasn't doing videos yet, but I always liked playing around with makeup, and so I'll put a picture up of what I came up with 2 years ago. It was simple. It was just like a green purple scales with like a really simple pink golden eye. This time around I want to be a little bit more extra, and I'll see what I come up with. I kind of planned it out. I kind of know the colors I want to do, but we'll just see what we come up with. So let's get right into it. I already moisturized my face with my Jergens Shea Butter. And if I were to be wearing this look out, I would want to prime my face. I don't have a favorite primer right now. I picked this one up recently, the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I have yet to try this one. Those of you who have used this, do you guys approve of this primer? I'm not all too big on primers. So even though I'm going to be covering up a big portion of my face with color, I do still want an even base. I've been breaking out a lot on my chin. Can you see that? It's super bad. I don't know why. I'm taking my Revlon Colorstay Combination Oily Skin with a sponge and evening out my skin. That doesn't want to come out. There. Now that I have evened out my skin with my foundation, I'm going in with my concealer. I'm using my Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer in Fair. Go ahead and just fan yourself. Next, I'm going to be setting my face with powder. I'm using the Maybelline FitMe Matte and Poreless Powder in 120. I'm going to go ahead and start on the chin. Now that our face is set, the most exciting part. You're going to take a pair of fishnet leggings. Clean. Yeah, make sure they're clean. You're going to be putting this over your head onto your face. And last thing you want on your face is butt. You know what I mean. So these are just a pair of fishnet tights. You can find these anywhere. I believe I got mine at Walmart. Put it on your face. Right here. Okay, you don't want the leg part on your face. So move that on up. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, enough of that. You want to make sure that it's really nice and taut. First color I'm going to be using, I'm dipping into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be going in with this teal color right there. Taking just whatever kind of brush really you have. I don't want to use any of my face brushes because I washed them recently and I don't want to wash them right now afterwards. And I'm going to start by applying that where I usually would put contour and blush. So right along the cheekbone, like right there. And you're just doing tapping motions, like bouncing it. I'm concentrating the color more higher up here, but with whatever is left extra, you're going to go ahead and bring it towards your lip like that. If you need to pick up a little bit more. And then I'm bringing this teal onto the forehead also. Now that I have it kind of sort of like this, I do want to bring it slightly down the nose. Yeah, I think that is good. Kind of clean off that brush. Next I'll be going in with the indigo blue right above the teal. This I'm going to focus more on the outer parts, so more along the contour of the cheeks and high on the, what is this, high on the forehead, hairline, really close to the hairline. Wiping any excess off, picking up just a tiny bit more of that teal. I want to add a little bit more. Now that that is in place, I'm going to go in with a very pretty like loose powder highlight. I don't know where I got this from. Actually, my mom gave it to me, so I don't know where she got it from. It's called Magic Dust. I don't know what brand, I don't know from where. Like, I really don't know. But whatever white highlight that you have, go ahead and pick that up. I'm going to be using my finger and putting that where usually the highlight would be. So like cheekbones, above the eyebrow, like where the arch is, and center of the forehead down the bridge of the nose. Putting a lot here on the tip of my nose, and then I'll go ahead and put some like here, right on top of the lip, like a mustache. I don't know how that's gonna look. A little bit below here also, why not? Why not? You want to very carefully remove this from your head. You don't want to move it so much, so just carefully start like this, put my hands through there, and then just bring it up. Okay, see, my hair is like really messed up now. That will be put into the washer to wash. Now that we have our skills kind of settled for now, I want to go in with the same palette. I'm going to go in with this nudie shade. I'm putting that all over my eye just so that the colors are easier to blend. Then with that same like highlight powder, I'm going to be putting some of that into the inner corner. Going in with that same teal shade and on a blending eye brush, focusing that onto the crease and above. Now taking that blue indigo color and with a smaller blending brush below that teal. With a pink, a bright pink, so I'm taking the Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil on a concealer brush, this bright one right here. So that bright pink is going to be going right onto the lid, and then when you blend it into the indigo blue, it'll start looking a little purpley. At least that's what I'm hoping for. So let's see. Onto the lid. With that same pink, I'm going to grab a little bit on this little tiny brush so I can place along the bottom of my eye. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm going to fill them in, which I usually don't do, but for these type of looks I do. I'm going to do my eyebrows, my winged eyeliner, and I'm going to be putting on some falsies and some mascara off camera just to save time. You guys don't need to see that, and I'll be right back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate the scales and just add some detail to the face. So I'm using pink and purple glitters. These glitters, I actually got them because of my nails. I got these, I think, downtown, like my local downtown store. It came like in a pack of like 12 or 16. I don't even know, I have to check. They're somewhere over there. I'm going to be applying these glitters with eyelash glue. I'm going to be just putting dots of eyelash glue along here and like here. The glue does dry clear, so don't you worry about a thing. I'm just going to be picking it up with my finger and placing it wherever I have glue. And glitter is messy, guys, so be prepared for that. I will be also adding pearls to the inner parts of my eyes. So I have white pearls here and colored pearls in this wheel. Again, I got them for my nails, but you can use them for makeup as well. I got these, I believe, at Jewelry Box. All you have left to do is your lips. You can do like a blue lip, a purple lip, a bright, a bright pink lip, but I want to keep it nude and glossy. Chapstick, this time I'm using the brand Chapstick. This one is in Green Tea Mint. You know what? I'm going in maybe not too nude. I'll be using this Milani, what is it? Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream. So it is metallic, but it is matte at the same time. So it's really cool. And this is what shade? Prismatic Touch. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty. I want to add a little bit more mermaid vibe to this. So I'm going to be adding the NYX Duo Chrome, Chromatic Shimmer Lip Gloss. I forgot to tell you the shade. This is in Crushing It Le Cresseur. What? It has a weird name. Oh, that was in French. Crushing It. It's in Crushing It. And that was all, guys. Doing this mermaid makeup is so much fun. You can literally do any colors you want, add as much glitter as you want. You can even add seashells somehow if you'd like. You can also do whatever you want with your hair. You can do loose waves, put on a wig. What I did is I just wet my hair a lot, like a lot, and I just put on some hair mousse and sea salt spray. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you are subscribed and click that bell so you can get notifications from me so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye!